So you might be trying to figure out how you can stop overcharging your Android device. Now, luckily for us, within our Android devices, we have a lot of different ways to basically just, stop our Android phone from overcharging itself. And the first way to go and do this, it's pretty basic. What you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application, and just like so, and you'll come into this particular page. So a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do here is you want to swipe down until you get into your battery options. Now, within your battery options, there's probably always going to be some sort of options that will allow you to go ahead and, limit your battery charging. So if you want to stop overcharging your Android battery life or your Android battery in general, there should be a little option that says like battery protection or charge limit or something like this. On Samsung phones, it's called battery protection. On Google Pixels, it's probably called something else, and on iPhones, it's called something else. So find this particular battery protection option, and what you can do is you can go ahead and basically enable it. Now, what this is going to do is going to allow you, depending on which, setting you have set up, it's going to allow you to charge up your, Android phone normally as you would. But the difference here is that it's going to charge up your device based on your usage. The one I typically use is adaptive. So what this does is it's going to basically go through and limit how fast your Android phone charges. Now, if you're in a pinch and you never charge your phone at the same time or whatever the case is, then don't even enable it. But if you want to go ahead and just have your phone basically fast charge up to 80%, and then a trickle charge is basically it kind of charges slower. It kind of charges slower at over 80%. Then you can turn on either adaptive or maximum or one of these other options. When you enable it, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and basically charge up your Android phone as you normally would, but it's not going to overcharge your Android device, which is exactly what you probably want to have happen. So, and that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.